So finally, we are just half an hour away from the main time of the interview, and as you can see, I have got all ready for the interview, and I am just going to go now and set up the laptop and everything that has to be done, and then we start finally with it. Hello, crazy survivors, and welcome back to my channel. This is Akshita Shah. Today is a very, very, very special day because today we have a very special guest on our channel. I'm giving the formal and the best introduction I could make. Someone who is a splendid personality, someone who is a dancer, who is a choreographer, who is a filmmaker, and whatnot. Someone who has brought a dance revolution in the country, and someone who doesn't need any introduction. Our very own, very respected and loved Remo D'Souza sir. Thank you so much, sir, for this fun chat with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So it's been over 2 months this lockdown and quarantine and everything. So I wanted to know,
Yeah,
how has this quarantine treated you?
uh, good, bad, and worst. Yeah, all three has happened. Good
Okay.
because we have a lot of time to spend,
Yeah.
and that we never used to get, and time to spend with family, and time to spend with uh, lovely pets. So yeah, in a way, good because of that, and we learned a lot of things which we never knew that we could do it.
Hmm.
You know,
Okay.
like I started
Now,
cutting hair
oh,
and all this
nice.
stuff.
All right. So
Yeah.
since you have mentioned you are trying new things, can you tell me one secret talent which you have, which nobody knows, Abhita?
One secret talent which I have, uh, I can cut hair.
All right, all right. Yeah. So the next question is that now since you are home and you are a busy person, like you do a lot of things. So how have you managed
Mhm.
working from home and what has been your overall routine in these days?
See, my work is mostly on field because most of the time either it's studio, it's outdoor with a lot of dancers, with a lot of crew, cameras, and everything. But because this COVID-19 has happened and we are all at home, so the work is right now only through social media or internet.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a little difficult initially, but yeah, right now we are actually uh, managing to work from home. So it's there. It's good.
All right, all right. Now moving on. Okay, before we move on, I have a little surprise. It's not a surprise, but I don't know if you remember कि जब आपने पहली बार बात की थी मुझसे कॉल पे तो I was so
Mhm.
overwhelmed and I felt so happy and so blessed. तो मैंने तुरंत ही उसके बाद एक छोटा सा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया था. The reaction which I
Oh,
had at that moment, because I somewhere had a feeling that sometime we will talk and I would like to share that with you. So I would like to share this with
okay.
you. Abhi, एक second, I'll share the screen. My reaction after talking to him, I still can't believe this, that I have just talked to Remo sir and he was so humble to talk to me and appreciate me, and he was like, okay, let's do this in the next week, and I was like, oh my god, I still can't believe this. I don't know what is going to happen. So yeah, that was how I felt.
Okay.
So it was उस time पे ऐसा
I
reaction था. And I had actually, I'll tell you, उस moment के बाद I called my brother, I called my best friend, I told them कि dude, I can't tell you अभी कैसा लग रहा है, but I am very overwhelmed अभी. And actually I was also stuck in another city उस time पे. So my parents were in Vapi and I was in some other place. So I first called them कि हो गया ये, and they were also so happy with all of this. So this is how I felt उस time पे. Now we can move on. Moving on,
yeah.
so now we play a very simple game which is called Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
In this game, I
Okay.
will say a statement. Let's say, for
Okay.
example, getting arrested. So if any one of us has got arrested, we will have to drink a sip of the drink which is there in front of us. So we both have, let's say, some
Okay.
drink in front of us, and we just take a sip accordingly.
Okay.
All right. Yeah.
There you go.
So first is, never have I ever smuggled food in a movie theater, food or anything. Uh, yes. Okay. Never have I ever
Yes.
tried to cut my own hair. Yes, when I was young.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Never have I ever re-gifted something that was gifted to me.
um,
Oh yes. Never have I ever lied about my age. No.
mm,
Okay. Never
everyone
have
does.
I never have I ever lied about going to work. Like lied for getting away from work.
Uh,
Then never have I ever walked out of a movie. No. Then okay. Never have I ever read the terms and conditions of agreements while installing a software. Never.
yeah, sorry, it was
So never read the terms and conditions while installing a software.
never.
Never. Okay, then never have I ever lied to an actor just to get them do the film. Okay.
Never
Mm,
like.
then never have I ever hated a present but told them that yeah, I loved your present. All right, so that's it for the never have I ever game. Thank you so much for that, and we are back with another set of questions. Number one is,
Okay.
what will be your suggestion to kids and to students of my age and people like me? What would you suggest us or advise us?
I would advise, because of social media and everything, everything is going really fast, and a lot of these negative thing comes out, uh, and because right now the situation is that we are every one of us is actually, trust social media,
Yeah.
and whatever comes, they feel that it's right, but 90% of it's wrong. So
Correct.
I would say that, you know, सोच समझ के संभल के सोशल मीडिया पे आप सर्व कीजिए. आप लोग का एज जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा सोशल मीडिया यूज करता है,
Correct.
सो
Correct.
यूज इट वेरी वाइजली, हैव पेशेंस, ओके, एंड बहुत जल्दी आप लोग डिप्रेशन या गुस्सा वो हो जाते हैं आप लोग, तो वो बहुत जरूरी है कि आप लोग अपने पेरेंट्स से या अपने भाई बहन से या दोस्तों से बात करें. सो या बी पेशेंस, हार्ड वर्क. ऑफ कोर्स आप लोग सब बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, आजकल के सारे बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. दैट आई डोंट से दैट हार्ड वर्क करो, बट हार्ड वर्क तो सभी करते हैं, बट पेशेंस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो या
All right, that's a great advice. Also, I would like to know कि when you were in these years, कि आप जब इस phase में थे, and when you came to Mumbai and did all of it, so what was the one advice which you received and which has stayed with you?
when I was coming to Mumbai, I had no one here. So mom, I was coming on my own. So at your age, actually, I was 18, I was here. So my mom said that do whatever you want there, struggle, do hard work, but don't do anything wrong. Yeah, that's one thing which I always said. Don't do anything wrong.
That is one thing actually which my mom keeps telling me कि मतलब तुम लोग बहुत आगे बढ़ जाओगे, बहुत अलग अलग काम करोगे, बहुत सक्सेसफुल भी हो जाओगे, बट जस्ट मेक श्योर कि यू आर ऑनेस्ट टू योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज इफ यू डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, एटलीस्ट एक बार भी कुछ गलत किया तो यू नो एवरीथिंग विल कम डाउन. इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज द हार्ड वर्क एंड एवरीथिंग व्हिच यू आर डूइंग, इट विल बी वेस्ट. सो या, दैट इज समथिंग वी ऑल शुड रिमेंबर. नाउ कैन यू शेयर वन crazy fan story with us? Any fan story?
There was a girl from Bangalore who actually packed her bags and everything, and she landed to my office.
Oh.
And everyone knows my office. And she came and she said कि मैंने आपको टीवी पे देखा, आप सबकी मदद करते हैं, तो मैं घर छोड़ के आ गई हूँ और मैं अभी आपके पास काम करना चाहती हूँ, आप इधर ही रहना चाहती हूँ.
Shit.
So fan है. So that was a very scary moment for all of us,
Yeah.
for my family and for me also, that it's wrong. Something happens to
Hmm.
such fan or such kid will always come on to the person who's actually she's going to meet or he's going to meet.
Yes, correct.
So very scary moment. तो मैंने उनको बिठाया and बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझाया and उनके पेरेंट्स से बात कराया, सब कराया and then उसको वापस भेज दिया. So that was a crazy and a scary moment with the fan.
Okay, nice, nice. Now, before we move on to the last segment, I think one thing we can have a small mental math round, like, because that is my favorite thing. So what we can do is, there are 2-3 options. Like, you can either ask me mental calendar dates, you can ask me mental multiplication or mental addition, anything you want. So let us start with calendar. Okay, we go step by step. In calendar dates, you have to ask me any date between 1600 and 2099, and I will tell you the day of that date.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
28 May 2001.
28 May
May
2001. Monday?
Yes.
So yeah. So this is one example. Actually, the thing is कि now I do it थोड़ा slow. मतलब earlier तो I used to do it even more faster, and so it is like there is a competition called Maths and Memory World Cup, so which is held every 4 years. So in the year 2012, from India, 7 kids were selected, and I was one of those kids. And
Wow.
yeah, so at that time we were in class 7 something. So all the day we used to do this practice only, and this is one competition where anybody from the world can participate, like professors, doctors, scientists. So there is no age limit as such. And उस साल it was in Turkey. तो हम लोग को टर्की लेके गए थे हमारे कोच, एंड हम तो बहुत छोटे थे, तो हमको कुछ समझ भी नहीं आता था उस टाइम पे. हमको सिर्फ इतना पता था कि प्रैक्टिस करना है, जाके परफॉर्म करना है, आ जाना है. नो अवार्ड्स, नथिंग इन द माइंड. So that is when we got trained in this, and I remember this is my favorite category. So इसमें I had got world 3rd place at that time, and no, world 2nd place उस time पे, and in 1 minute I had done 81 dates. Yeah, 81 dates in 60 seconds. So, and there actually this is not a great score actually. There are people in the world who can do more than 100 and more than 125 dates in a minute. So there's still a long way to go, but this is something like I love, so I thought to share with you. I can do multiplication, addition, everything mentally. Like if you want, you can check.
9762. Multiplied by 567.
5167, right? Okay. So here you can see I have written just the question, and now I will write only the answer, no working note. So the answer is 50440,254. So yeah, you can see that here. मतलब there is no working note in this. सिर्फ question और सिर्फ answer लिखा है.
That's good, yeah.
Sorry.
That's good. Amazing.
So yeah, so and
the worst in maths. So I'm very bad at math. So even with maths. So most of the people, I don't know why they hate, but very few people who love and they do really well is one of you and meeting you. So it's something.
So you know, sir, this is one thing I want to work upon, because I know this thing कि जहाँ पे people hate maths and किसी को आसान, मतलब people think it is hard and ये सब लगता है, लेकिन there are ways, there are techniques जिससे कि you can actually be good at it, और वो जो डर है वो actually आपका निकल सकता है. And since I have experienced this thing, because I learned it at a very young age, and because of learning abacus and mental maths, I can see a whole lot of change in my personality, in my grasping power and a lot of things. तो आई फील कि ये जो चेंज है ये हर स्टूडेंट या हर बच्चे में आ सकता है अगर हम उनको यंग एज पे करेक्टली उनको सिखाए. एक करेक्ट अप्रोच अगर दिया जाएगा तो ये चीज हो सकती है. एंड दिस इज वन थिंग like not now, but later on when I am that much capable, I would like to open my own institute where I actually teach children this, and watching them do this will actually make this journey of mine successful. मैंने सीख लिया ठीक है, but what about others? I can actually teach them, so why not? So that is one thing I really want to work on. Sorry?
I know you would love to hear out of this thing. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
then now we move for the next, like the last segment, but a very interesting segment, which is the rapid fire round. As you know the drill,
Okay.
rapid fire round, I will keep on asking you questions. You have to answer them
Okay.
quickly, and जो भी पहले दिमाग में आता है, you have to say that. Okay.
Done.
We start. Most embarrassing store you might be seen shopping at.
Most embarrassing store I might be shopping at. What is the most embarrassing store? Of course, all the boys
Sorry?
on the whenever they go to these shops where undergarments.
Yeah. Okay. Like, are women complicated?
Yes.
If you plan a trip, who would be the 3 people you want to take with you?
Rizal, Adonis, and Gabriel.
Alright, family. Okay. First celebrity crush.
Pooja Bhatt.
Okay. Rate in order of learning steps quickly. Shakti, Puneet, Dharmesh, Raghav.
Shakti, Puneet, Dharmesh, Raghav.
Yes.
Puneet, Shakti, Dharmesh, Raghav.
Okay. Most comfortable actor or actress to work with.
Most of them are very good, but I think I've done 2 films with them, so I think Varun Dhawan and Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay. Most uncomfortable actor or actress you have worked with.
I never had this chance.
Okay. Being diplomatic. Okay. Share.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Share one embarrassing incident that happened with you.
A lot of embarrassing moments has happened to me, but there's one moment I remember where I was ready with the costume and everything. I was playing a character and I was selected for that. And I was ready with the costume and everything, makeup, and I went on set. And suddenly, the director said, "कि नहीं ये नहीं मुझे ये वाला लड़का पसंद है."
Okay.
So, he on the set, so that I think was a very, very embarrassing.
Okay. A co-star you always wanted to work with.
I have wanted to work with a lot of people. Yeah, I wanted to work with Aamir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Akshay. Of course, I work with. But I want to direct any of these two because I've already directed Salman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Rank in order of dancing ability: Tiger, Varun, Shahid, Hrithik.
Hrithik, Tiger, Varun, Shahid.
Okay. So yes,
I think
you can change your answer. It's okay.
you see the names. Actually, they all are fantastic dancers.
Yeah.
You actually can't do the whole style. So yeah.
All right. With this, we are done with the rapid fire round. Thank you so much for all these answers. And thank you so much for coming for this fun chat. I am very, very thankful to you. And
Thank you.
it was amazing and great talking to you. But
Thank you
before
so
we
much.
end, I have asked you so many questions and so much stuff. If you want to ask me anything, you can go ahead. You can ask me anything you want.
One question I want to ask: where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I think there is no, मतलब I believe in destiny also. So I am not sure कि जो मैं चाहती हूँ वही होगा कि नहीं. But I would like to work so that I'm studying actuarial science. So I definitely want to take a career, like at least study it well and become a professional in that. I also want to develop my music because I play keyboard. I also want to develop my YouTube channel, which I have recently started. It's almost just a month with the channel, and I want to work on that. And most importantly, I want to also develop on speaking skills and all of that, like how to host and how to do all of that. So I think there are a mixture of things which I want, but working for everything thoda 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 ho jayega.
Sure. All the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye.